And it's also giving me her performance, you know. I just want to be like, I'm looking for a nigga to get some babies. Handful of Weezy, sprinkle of Dave East. I ain't got no type like Jimmy and Sway Lee's. And if you can't fuck 3 times a night, peace. Bars hard, but I'm still straight facts. Hey, my bars hard, but I'm still straight facts. Hey. Okay. I hope you guys love this pink wig that I have on. And it's a celebration actually. One, because my wig came in the mail, and then two, because so did my Nicki Minaj tour pass. Yes, I'm so excited for this Nicki Hendrix tour, and even though Future might not be on it, I'm still excited. So, as you know, she named the song after me, sir. So, yes. So, welcome to Sincerely Sir. This is your boy, King Monsieur, aka Sir, and I'm going to be doing a wig review today. Let's get into it. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is 100% human hair blend. And the box, this is the box it came in. It's called The Wig. I got this wig from GlamourTress.com. I think it was like $20 or so. It's actually a bob cut, and it's called, the style is HH-CoCo, and the color is 4B612, which is like a 613, but just a little bit darker of a tint, but it's still cute. It's bomb. Show you what came in the box. Here is the model card for the wig. You can see that. And then just some wig take care of instructions, but I've actually, this is probably like my 10th or 11th wig, so pretty familiar with human hair blend, and actually that's becoming one of my favorites just because it doesn't tangle as much. This one that I have on right now is a synthetic, and as you can see, I obviously need to press out the ends and just the whole wig in general. But honestly, I had wore this wig one day to work. I think it was October 6th or something like that, Mean Girls Day, whatever. And I wore it to work just because, you know, I had to wear something pink. So this was that. And then it also came with this, it came wrapped in this with the net. Just real classic stuff in the box, you know, everything that you expect. I really actually do like the box because I think I only have maybe 3 or 4 wigs. No, a lot of my wigs have come in boxes, so I won't even say that. So let's move on to this review. So, here is the wig itself. It is so pretty, so beautiful. It does not get tangled because I think because of the length, it does not get tangled a lot. If it does, like, it's barely noticeable. The wig is so pretty, it's so soft. It's actually Brazilian human hair and human hair blend, Brazilian human hair blend, so it's really soft. If you ever had Brazilian hair, it's really soft. It feels really thick. Of course, with this color, the tracks do show a little bit in the back when it's on the mannequin head, but I think with proper wig cap color and stuff like that underneath, you should be fine. And then it is a bob, so you don't have to really worry about trying to do like the basically pushing your hair up. You know, when you move your hair like all the way up like this, and you try to get that like cutesy, you don't want it on your back because it's going to be giving that like really rough ends kind of look. That's the benefit of having a bob. Before I go into switching into the wig, I'm going to go over the wig construction of the cap. So this is the cap. It has the weft capping, which actually I'm not really a big fan of, especially when it comes to lace fronts, and then even this blonde color. Any blonde colors, I don't like this kind of cap construction because it's so easily to see the wefts, and plus they're black, so it just stands out more. But I will say that with this one, it does come with the comb in the back, even though it's just a regular wig. And then it does have a comb at the front, which I probably won't use this one, just because I never usually have like a braid right there, and I don't think that that would be useful for me. If anything, I'll probably, actually these could be split. So I'll probably move these to the side because usually I will use the side combs of anything. But that's the wig construction. I really do like this color, even this dark spot in the middle, which I wasn't really a fan of blondes like that, but then I tried this really long one and I loved it. So let me go ahead and switch into that wig and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I do like the style of this wig. It's very short, very cute. I feel like it's something that I would definitely wear on a day-to-day basis, like to work and stuff, just because I know like it doesn't take a lot of work. I don't have to glue it down like a lace front. I don't have to do a lot of maintenance on it because it's so short, so even pressing it out, if it was like worn too much, wouldn't be such a problem. And then that it's human hair blend means that it won't get as ratted as quickly as a pure synthetic wig. So I do love that fact about it. I'm not really sure if I like this cut on me, but I will say that it is giving me my girl Nicki Minaj vibes. Of course, her New York Fashion Week look, if it had more like color to it, then it would be giving me that look, you know, with the rainbow undertone. Type like Jimmy and Sway Lee's. And if you can't fuck 3 times a night, peace. No, why is that song growing on me so much? Honestly, when her album dropped, I was already just a fan. Like, I was hungry. I was one of those people waiting 3 years plus. Like, where's the next album, Nicki? Like, Nicki, you can't keep doing this to us. You know what I'm saying? But, of course, my delivered. And the whole album is a whole freaking bop, like a playthrough. I was honestly say I wasn't a big fan. Barbie Dreams, I did love it, but it just wasn't my favorite song. I was more Hard White and Good Form were my like top 2. Like, you know, Good Form just has that beat, like it just makes you want to fuck it up. So definitely that was my favorite. But moving back onto this wig, yes, I really love it. It's just short, very convenient. I just feel like if I was to perform in this wig, I would have a lot of problems with it coming into my face. And that's probably why I also do stare away from shorter wigs, just because being into wigs, I do know certain things about like just that shakiness and stuff like that. Another thing I don't like, because it's not a lace front, my edges do show. Which isn't that big of a problem because obviously this is a bob, so I'm supposed to wear this over my ears. So I would just have to keep that in mind. And then obviously if I were to wear any like hat over it or something like that, it would still be really cute and just give it a whole new look. So that is my review on the HH-CoCo in the 4B612, if you can see that. And just like another reviewer said, it does come with the model picture on the box so you know which wig it is. But honestly, I don't have that problem because usually I just know what my wigs are. They're very different, so I don't really get a lot of the same wigs. I try to switch it up. And also because I'm one of those people who I don't throw away wigs, I just restyle them. And so I've been practicing a lot on restyling my wigs. I am planning on going to school this winter for cosmetology, so that'll be in my books. Hopefully one day I'll be styling your wig or creating you a custom wig and stuff like that, doing color, all of that. But yeah, so that was my review. I just want to say thank you so much to Glamour Tress and to the wig company, to anyone who makes wigs. Like, let me just say that wigs have definitely changed my life. I never thought in a million years that I'd be wearing wigs. I used to be the one like, oh, she got a wig on, you know, just talking shit. And it's one of those things like, until you're doing it or wearing them, you don't understand how bomb they are. And they are so addicting. I will tell you that I bought my first wig, and it was a wig in like, was it March? Yeah, March, because that's when I started my new job. So I wore it to work and everything. And from there, I have been obsessed. Like, it is October, and I probably have